Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your own beautiful, professional-looking mug designs for Sublimation but weren't sure where to start, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Canva to create a perfectly sized, eye-catching mug template ready for Sublimation printing. Whether you're prepping for a unique gift or getting into custom mug sales, this will help you design like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you don't already have it open, just head over to Canva.com in your browser. The great thing about Canva is how user-friendly it is, even if you don't have any graphic design background. Once you're on Canva, look towards the top right area for the big Create a Design button. Give that a click. Now here where precision matters. You want your mug design to fit perfectly with your sublimation process, so let's set a custom size. Choose the option that lets you enter custom dimensions. For most standard mugs, an 8.24 by 4-inch canvas is just right. It wraps around the mug without leaving any awkward gaps or stretching. Take a moment here to carefully type in those numbers: 8.24 inches for the width, 4 inches for the height. This step might seem specific, but getting the size right at the start will save you a ton of headaches later, trust me. When you're set, click to create your new design. Alright, now we're staring at a blank canvas. It can feel a little intimidating, but this is where the fun really starts. Let's go browsing for some inspiration and elements that capture the vibe you're going for. On the left-hand menu, you'll see the Elements tab, a treasure trove of graphics, illustrations, and much more. Click on that, and then in the search bar, type Good Vibe logo. The reason I suggest something like Good Vibe is that mugs are all about positive messages, setting a mood for morning coffee, or just making someone smile. You'll find a bunch of options. Pick something that speaks to you. If you're unsure, don't worry, choosing is half the creative process, and you can always swap it out later. Once you've picked a logo or graphic you like, drag it onto your canvas. Notice how you can resize and position it anywhere you'd like. Imagine how it'll look when it's wrapped around the mug. Generally, centering your main element works best, unless you want an off-center, artsy look. Next, let's add a personal touch with some words. Maybe it's an inspiring quote, a name, or a playful message. Click the text tool and start typing right on your template. You can adjust the font, color, and size. Think about readability and how it'll look in someone's hands. A good tip: bold, simple fonts tend to transfer better when you print and press the design. And honestly, don't stop here. You're totally free to sprinkle in more designs, whether it's small doodles, little sparkles, or even a colorful background. Canva gives you endless options, so don't be afraid to experiment until the whole thing feels just right for you. This is your chance to let your creativity shine, and remember, sometimes simplicity really stands out on a mug, so no need to overdo it if you like a clean look. And that's it, your custom-sized, uniquely designed mug template is ready to export and print for Sublimation. How easy was that? If you have any questions or if you want to share your own design tips, make sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.